Alright guys, welcome into video edit number 4. We're going to get started here. This is what the finished video is going to look like. Check it out. Pretty cool. So today we're talking about transitions, and if you couldn't tell, a transition is something that transitions from the video before to the video after. It's pretty cool, and we're going to go ahead and get started on it. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to download the 2 videos from the classroom assignment. If you haven't already done so, it's these 2 videos right here, one of the Eiffel Tower and one of a city. Cool. You're going to open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Title it whatever you would like to. Then you're going to drag the video you're going to import the 2 videos. File, import. So for any people that have not already done so, this is what you do. After you've created your new project, you go to File, Import. And you're going to find the 2 videos right here. Click Import. There we go. All right, drag the video of the Eiffel Tower into the sequence first, and then drag the city after. Okay. Drag this one in first. Drag this one in second. Okay, again, if you want to zoom in and zoom out, you just move this guy over. Okay. Alrighty. Next up, what do we do here? Go to the top right corner and click the first square. That's the workspaces, and click color. Okay. Go up here. We're going to go to color. All right. Click on the second video to highlight it, and then click basic correction on the top right. Then move the saturation bar all the way to the left. Okay. All right. So I'm going to move this over. I'm going to click on the video. I'm going to go over here to the top right and click basic correction. Okay. And move the saturation bar all the way to the left. Okay. Here's the saturation bar right here. Move it all the way to the left. When you do that, as you can see, it makes it black and white. You would do the same thing if you're using Photoshop. That's how you make a photo color versus black and white. Okay, now what do we do? Now hold the Shift key with your left hand and drag that second video up to make a copy. Okay, so my left hand is now going to be holding the Shift key. Sorry, not the Shift key. Did I say Shift key? I meant Option key. That's my bad. We're going to hold the Option key with our left hand and drag the video up to make a copy. Okay, so now my hand is going to be holding the Option key on our keyboard. I'm going to click the video and I'm going to drag up. And when I do that, as you can see, it has made a copy. Now that I've made a copy, I can let go of the Option key. Okay? Alrighty. Click on that second video, that top video, and move the saturation bar to the back to the middle, which is back to 100. Okay, so I'm going to click on this video here. I'm going to move this back to the middle, or I can just type in 100 here. That's fine as well. That's the regular color. Okay. Now go to the beginning of that top video and drag the beginning halfway. Okay, so I'm going to go to the beginning here, and as you can see, when I do that, it makes the front of it red. I'm going to drag it about halfway. So now you can see the first half is black and white. Second half is color, and we're going to animate that here shortly. Okay, we're going to go back up to the top right. We're going to click on the workspaces, and then we're going to click effects. Okay, go back up here, click this guy. We're going to go to effects. Okay. Click on the arrow next to video transitions, then go to dissolve, and then do cross dissolve, and drag that cross dissolve over the top of the front of the first video to fade it in. Okay. All right, so I already had all of those open. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to click on this arrow next to video transitions. I'm going to get all these back up so you guys can see. This is what it's going to look like for you. We're going to click on the arrow next to dissolve. See where it says cross dissolve? We're going to drag this to the beginning of the first video. And you know it's there because it'll be there. And also when you do it, it'll show you that it's going there by highlighting that area. Okay, and what the cross dissolve does is it fades something out while fading something else in. Since there's nothing else there, it just fades from black in. Okay, now what do we do? Now click the arrow next to immersive video and drag the light rays between the first and second video. Okay, immersive video. I'm going to click that arrow next to it. I think you can actually double click it as well. Yes, you can. And then drag the light rays between the first and second video. And you can just click OK. And if you watch it now, what that does is it adds a really cool lighting transition effect between those two videos. Cool. All right, now click on the arrow next to wipe and drag the wipe to the beginning of the top video that's halfway over the second video. Okay, we're going to click wipe here, and I'm going to drag the wipe over the top of this top video at the beginning. When I do that, it adds a really cool sliding door effect from black and white back to color. So, here's what the video looks like again. Fades in from black. Here's our first video. Adds a really cool lighting effect between the first and second video. This one's black and white. Then we have that sliding color transition here as well. And there it is. And you can add these transitions on text boxes as well. And we'll talk about that later. When you're done, you can just go to File, Save, and then click Export. Name it your name. For me, it's Steve. And then number 4. Make sure the format is H.264. Put it in a location you can find. I always suggest desktop. Click Save. Click Export. And then you can turn it into the classroom assignment. That is video edit number 4. Make sure you guys turn it in by the end of the hour. Goodbye.